Hey there, tech-savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tips to make your life easier. Today's topic is all about how to use Apple Card at Walmart. If you're an Apple Card user looking to rack up those daily rewards while shopping at one of America's biggest retailers, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Apple Card is all set up. If you haven't already, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch and add your Apple Card. It's straightforward. Just follow the prompts to verify your card details. This is your gateway to seamless payments. Now, before you head to Walmart, double-check if your local store accepts Apple Pay. Most Walmart locations do, but it's always smart to confirm via their app or website. Apple Pay works at self-checkout kiosks and registers where the contactless symbol is displayed, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're at the checkout, here's how it goes down. Unlock your iPhone and double-click the side button to bring up Apple Pay. Select your Apple Card from the options. It's usually the default if you've set it up that way. Hold your device near the payment terminal until you see the Done checkmark. That's it, your transaction is secure, thanks to Apple's top-notch encryption. One cool thing about using Apple Card at Walmart is the cashback rewards. You'll earn 3% daily cashback on your purchases when you use Apple Pay, which adds up quickly for everyday shopping. Plus, it's a fast and contactless way to pay, perfect for busy days. If you run into any issues, like a store that doesn't accept Apple Pay, you can always use the virtual card number in the Wallet app for online Walmart purchases. Remember, Apple Card is all about simplicity and security, so enjoy the perks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.